Alright people, today I've got a ABUS 6040 long shackle padlock. Quite a small keyway on it. There's the key. It's got 5 cuts to it. It's a 5-pinner. Not a bad little padlock. I've never picked this before. I've borrowed it. Springs back into place. Nice and locked. I'm not really a padlock picker, to be honest with you. Just starting out on padlocks. Picked a scissor padlock, shutter padlock, and got a bit of a taste for them now, so I'm going to carry on. I actually quite like them. Right, so let's have a go at this. The reason I'm doing this one today is because somebody on our forum on uklocksport.co.uk was asking about ABUS padlocks and pointed me to an American picking one, and he said it was quite difficult, so I wanted to borrow one and have a go. You'll have to take my word for it, I've not been practicing with this. Back pin. It's a bit of a monster to get to. Okay, it's going to a false set. So this is where these lovely spools come into play. There we go. That's the ABUS 6040 single pin picked. Don't know what all the fuss was about. But anyway, if you like that, come and join us on uklocksport.co.uk. Loads of hints and tips on how to pick locks. There's always somebody there to help you learn. No question is too small. We'll always try and help you out. So come and visit us. Cheers. Thanks a lot.